Kalau face to face mana?
Face to face takkanlah face to face kau nak tunjuk kan. Confirm lah tak. Apa
Kena cek girlfriend, dong kena cek girlfriend. Bukan again.
kita lah.
Welcome to the very first episode of Tarikan 100% with Joe Flizzo, brought to you by Ubermen. And today on set we have two lovely ladies. Say hello to Kila Fairy and Chacha Maembong.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Apa khabar? Welcome to the show. Thank you for coming on board. And we're going to talk about some interesting things, you know. And we just want your point of view lah.
Okay.
And how to slide into DMs more attractively, and how can a fan attract you?
Okay, first of all, direct message ni diorang kena tahu tau. It's not Tinder.
Okay.
It's not these apps yang dating apps lah.
Well, but sometimes kalau strangers pun kalau DM, why not? Kalau elok.
Set things straight. DM ni bukan alat atau aplikasi untuk menjalinkan hubungan.
Betul.
Yeah,
But
it's not
sometimes
like
buat kerja
dating
jugalah.
Berapa
Tengok mood.
DMs yang you dapat on average satu hari?
I bukan nak belagak lah. But
nak cakap besar
sometimes,
lah.
kita bukan nak
Beratus?
cakap besar lah. Tapi ratus
Banyak
tu
lah.
I rasa macam nak cakap lebih tak. Macam like je.
How many of these DMs are coming from fans, you rasa?
Think
90% is from
yeah,
fans.
90%
Yeah.
dalam 50%
Yang 10 bukan peminat, yang macam kawan tu mungkin dia minat.
Minat. Tapi kalau dia ada hantar gambar lain macam tu, nak jadi apa?
Macam mana gambar lain macam tu?
yang ni aku pun nak dengar ni. Aku pun nak tahu ni.
Gambar
Cerita
lain macam ni.
Tak, because we thought it's our picture tengah perform ke apa.
Sekali buka, sap. Tengoklah dia orang ni semua.
Kau
Okay.
kena cek girlfriend tu.
Yeah, okay. So normally kena cek girlfriend, dia orang kena cek girlfriend. Bukan
kita lah.
Bukan jangan kacau artis-artis yang ada minati secara tu. Kalau face to face mana?
Face to face takkanlah face to face kau nak tunjuk kan. Confirm lah tak. Apa
You rasa mereka sebagai peminat ada disadvantage untuk mendapat perhatian you ke tak? Pasal kita sebagai artis kadang-kadang kita fikir macam, oh ni peminat kita. Takkan kita nak, you know, take advantage of the situation. Pasal orang tu dah sah-sah suka kita kan.
Yeah.
So adakah lebih baik untuk orang tu macam berlakon tak kenal you macam
Oh no,
are you a model?
jangan nak berlakon sangat.
Alright, how do you decide which DMs you want to reply?
Me, kalau if my fans yang macam hantar, you know, yang satu karangan panjang yang 2-3 buku surat tu because macam, oh I love you, I support you, whatever.
You
semua,
inspired
like,
me.
Yeah, inspired me. So I was like, okay, thank you.
Your real fan lah kan?
something
Yeah.
like that. But something like, oh my god, you're hot. Macam, okay.
Okay.
Kalau daripada luar tu, I tengok, hi,
Unless
I
orang
cannot
tu you
contact
pun
your
follow,
manager.
jadi dia pun terus masuk inbox, tak payah nak
yeah.
approve. Tapi pernah tak orang yang macam you suka tiba-tiba ter-DM you?
Ada, kau gila, tak ada.
So happy gila lah time tu.
I happy lah, tapi maksudnya kita we have to macam
You
jual
pula on
mahal
the other
lah.
side, buat macam
Jual mahal, okay, dia message, okay, I need to wait like 1 hour and then baru I reply.
And then bagi phone number ke, sambung kat situ lah.
Phone number belum lagi lah.
Oh, belum
tu.
ah?
Like I said,
Dia nak
I prefer
depan-depan
direct.
face.
Okay, direct,
Berani.
muka, DM, direct, muka. Okay, who is the most famous person you've had DMing you? Maybe you can give a clue lah kan, main
Okay
bola
lah,
ke.
I bagi clue lah. Adalah seorang jejaka ni. Jejaka ni.
Itu je.
But he's not from here.
Oh,
Yeah, mine is not from here as well.
Yeah. Dia macam singer. And then actually, I pun minat dia.
Daripada Indonesia?
No, something like UK, something lah.
Entah kita orang sama.
Babe, kita jodoh tu babe sama. Madu, mampus.
you better check, mungkin orang sama tau.
No, but his music is sick.
Has any direct messages ended up in an exchange of phone numbers or a date?
Yeah.
Ada? Pernah?
Ada.
Ada pernah?
Si ada lah juga success story. Berikan tepukan.
Memang
Yang
ada.
berani
Congratulations
mencuba
yang berani.
Dan berjaya.
Yes.
Menjaringkan goal pertama.
I think the one and
Congratulations.
only.
Yeah.
The one and only.
But I
Oh,
think
ada.
itu first
Sekali
and
je?
last lah. Yeah.
Sekali je.
Dua-dua sekali ya?
Sekali je.
Was it a good date?
It was.
Okay, it was good. It was alright.
Yeah.
But it wasn't it was the first and last.
Yeah.
Malangnya.
Tapi okey lah, dia berjaya lah,
Okay
you know,
lah,
jumpa
keluar.
daripada
Yeah,
fans.
at least dia berjaya bawa you keluar.
So
Maybe
the
the
guy out
timing
there, you know who you are. There's only one person. DM again, right now.
Don't give up.
Serius dia bangga gila ni.
Check
tengok
your
ni.
phone now. So any relationship with that person now, no? Okay, quiet. Okay, anyway, let's move on.
Yang penting aku yang nak dengar.
Okay.
We need you to read out a hater's comment.
Haters, I tak payah nak buka dah. Memang semua kat otak dah.
So apa yang you hafal yang you...
Okay, standard Okay,
Standard.
because me dulu, because my sister and Emma kan dulu macam polite, and then sampai Kak I macam very the jahat sikit, I'm a bit naughty
Bukan
lah.
jahat, you're like daring.
So,
Yeah,
dorang suka cakap benda
I'm
macam
just
mana?
being myself. It's just like macam kalau I post any pictures ke whatever, I just being myself, no hypocrite. Kalau I pakai macam ni lah. So ada yang macam, apa ni, neraka lah kau tempat kau semua.
I was about to say
and
that.
you know what?
That's the same.
Yeah, why do
I
they
like
like to
literally
say? Why do they
reply.
like to judge? Huh? Right.
Just don't
if you don't
say
have anything
anything.
nice to say, don't say
Don't
anything.
say it, yeah.
What advice would you give to new artists out there? Newcomers that are trying to come into the industry and they receive a lot of negativity.
I can just say, if you cannot bear with the comments, negative comments, just off comment.
Atau satu lagi tak payah jadi
Senang.
artis.
Tak payah jadi senang.
Lagi senang.
Because that's part and parcel kan of jadi
Exactly.
artist.
That's what
Once
my
you
mom
masuk,
said.
you're not gonna turn back.
You
akan
buat benda
menjadi-
baik pun dia orang akan hantam. You buat benda tak
So
elok
just
pun lagi dia
ignore
orang
what
hantam.
haters. Macam fan club I. Siapa nama fan club I? Chacha haters. Nampak? Just be yourself though.
Nama fan club
Ignore.
you Chacha haters?
Chacha haters.
Oh, wow.
So haters, orang-orang yang haters ni, yang buruk kan itu yang dia buat I famous. So
Oh.
I'm so proud of haters. Thank you so much.
That's
You
brilliant.
always got my back.
1, 2. All right. Once again, thank you very much, Chacha Maembong, Kila Fairy.
Thank
And
you
this
for
is a
having
little gift from Ubermen. Maybe you want to give somebody you love back home, somebody special, somebody in your DM, you boleh cakap dengan dia.
Jom kita jumpa bagi hadiah. Macam tu.
Something like that.
Thank you guys.
Maybe if there's anything you like to say your fans, maybe now is a good time.
Stay tune dekat cinema, my movie, ada few. I tak nak cakap sekarang, online nanti I akan cakap, just tunggu kat I punya IG and keep on support me and haters, I got your back. Aku yang ada back diorang.
Okay.
Okay guys, I have a telemovie coming out. It's called Mismatch. So nanti bila nak keluar semua, check out my IG and then my singles dropping soon, insyaAllah, after Raya. Just keep supporting me guys.
Thank you very much. This has been Tarikan 100%. I'm your host, Joe Flizzo. Once again, big shout out to these lovely ladies, Kila Fairy, Chacha Maembong. Thank you for tuning in. Big shout out to Ubermen. Peace and love. We out. No. Okay.
You like bad boys? Have you tried before?
Mungkin pernah ter lah.